would recommend anybody working the back end of simulation. I call myself the person behind the curtain. Just because we have to do so much technology setup and repair and maintenance, and that's what you get out of this conference. Leave the education to the educators and leave the technology to us.
Oh, I love the moulage courses. I like the hands-on. I also did a course about learning about IT type of technology for people that don't normally do IT, and that's one of my weaknesses. So it was very exciting to learn about the terminology and to understand for a change what the different terms were.
I like the fact that it isn't a great big faceless hall that you go through. First of all, there's no hard sell. Everybody is just really there about education and to talk to you about their products, but also ask you about your problems. It's very enjoyable, and it's an easy situation. It's a very natural situation. I don't know about other people, but sometimes I get very intimidated through that hall of vendors, and I don't have that experience at all.
I would recommend SimGhost events to really anyone in simulation, both clinical or technical. While I found that there were a lot more technical courses here, I think the clinical folks can benefit greatly from being exposed to more of that knowledge and information.
I use the SimGHOSTS online subscription. Many different resources, but again, it's typically for the networking. I mainly use it for the forum. There's a lot of good questions that are on there. Again, a lot of people stay in touch throughout that direction. You post your questions, comments, and you get a lot of really good feedback that's very pertinent to what you're looking for.
You know, I came to SimGHOSTS this year. This is my second SimGHOSTS, expecting all the same wonderful opportunities to network and to hear great technically related ideas. I have been to other simulation conferences. This is the one where I am with my people, the techs, the nerds, and I really enjoy it.
My favorite course this year was the Arduino. Seeing that board, and I have experience with Raspberry Pis, so kind of that same field, but I've never heard of that particular board and what it can do, and that's always something that's interests me. Being the only tech, I unfortunately don't have as much time to do all that kind of stuff, but it's still really cool. I might just pick it up for a hobby.
The main difference with SimGHOST is that it's more at a technical level. So as I was saying, just things that they present here are things that are applicable to my daily work life. I've been to many other conferences where they're speaking about medical things and research, which doesn't pertain to what I do. So the main difference for me to come to a conference like SimGHOST is that it's just applicable. So it's things that I can apply to my daily work life.
As far as attending SimGHOST and who should go, I would recommend it to anyone that has any kind of involvement whatsoever in healthcare education. Healthcare simulation is the up-and-coming, cutting-edge methodology for teaching healthcare professionals across all disciplines. I have worked with simulation from CNAs all the way up to research scientists. I would recommend anybody that has any questions or interest or whose position may contact simulation in any way, come get interested, come get involved, come learn from each other.